Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife review videos. If you like that kind of content, subscribe to the channel. Alright folks, we have something new in front of us, something new from RoseCraft. This is another one of their new fixed blade knives. This is the F2. So let's open up the box and see what we have. So inside, we've got this big, beautiful fixed blade knife. Let's take the box out of the way. Kind of look at what we have. So this is a big knife. This one comes in at a total length of 9 inches. So overall, this is 9 inches. The blade comes in at 4.4 inches of 1095 carbon steel. It's a nice upswept blade. This is a big knife. This is a full 4-finger grip. Because the blade's upswept, you get a nice place to put your finger. If you're doing precision cutting, you can put your thumb. Both work really great. The sharpening choil is fantastic on that. The only marking you have on the blade itself is you have the RC for RoseCraft, small, so the branding is kept minimal. And on the other side, you have the maker's mark and model number. This was designed by Andy Armstrong. And the model is the RCF002, or the F2 for short. The scales are a beautiful green micarta over a G10 Hunter Orange. This is a full tang construction. Goes right through to the end. The blade has some really nice weight to it. Comes in at 6.2 ounces. This is a blade you can make every type of cut you're going to need. Whether you're bushcrafting, if you're using it for hunting, this would be a great skinning knife. Great camp cooking knife. Really fantastic. And I like this a lot. Lately, I've been getting more and more into fixed blades. I think this is a little bit big for EDC, but this is your perfect outdoorsman knife. You know, definitely hiking, camping, hunting, fishing. This is a knife you're going to want. And the size of this is fantastic. Let me show you this up against two very popular knives that aren't fixed blades, but at least you can kind of see what the size is. So we're going to lay this down against a Benchmade bug out. And let me move that up so you can actually see it better. Move this Kydex sheath out of the way. So move that there, put the bug out in place. A lot bigger than the bug out. And then we'll put it up against a QSP Penguin. And as you can see, much bigger again. We'll swap that to there, move this down a bit. And if you look where they start, again, much bigger. So you get the idea of how big a knife this is. We'll get these out of the way. All right. Now, if you look at the blade, you got that nice polished edge right there. Hope that comes across on camera. The scales are removable. So I guess if there were aftermarket scales, or if you wanted to make something yourself, you could. It's got your lanyard hole, which is really nice. And then let's talk about the sheath. It's got this universal mount Kydex sheath. It slides right into there perfectly. Hear that lock? See? No motion. It's not loose in there at all. It's really tight. The only thing you hear actually is when you wiggle is the clip, because it's such a solid lockup. Right out, right in, really nice. Now this is a pancake style sheath. On a bigger knife like this, I don't mind a pancake sheath. On smaller knives, I like a taco sheath, because I don't really think you're going to pocket carry this. It comes with this giant size tech lock, and you could scout carry it by turning that, you know, belt carry it. It's going to fit a multitude of belts, you know, really makes for a nice carry with that. And if you prefer scout straps, well, you could just unscrew these and add a set of straps to it. So overall, I think this is a fantastic new knife by RoseCraft. I think they did an excellent job. Like I said, so far, with all their new releases of their fixed blades, they're hitting it out of the park, I gotta say. And they did provide this, so I want to go right there and let everybody know. This was provided to the channel, but my thoughts are my own on this. They're not telling me what to say. They didn't put any conditions on what I have to say, but I genuinely like this. This is just really, really nice. And this just feels great. That's what I got on the RoseCraft F2. All right, folks. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.